Why do birds sing in the morning? One morning, Emma was listening to birds singing outside her window and wondered why they sing so early.
Why do birds sing in the morning?
Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Melody appeared to explain why birds sing in the morning.
Hi Emma. I'm Melody, the bird fairy. Let me tell you why birds sing so beautifully in the morning.
Melody explained that birds sing to communicate with each other, sharing messages like good morning or this is my home.
Birds sing to communicate. They're saying things like good morning or this is my home.
Melody told Emma that birds also sing to attract a mate, showing how strong and healthy they are.
Birds sing to attract a mate by showing how strong and healthy they are.
Melody explained that birds also sing to protect their territory, letting other birds know to stay away.
Birds sing to protect their territory, telling other birds, this is my space, stay away.
Melody told Emma that the morning is the best time for birds to sing because the air is calm and quiet, helping their songs travel far.
Morning is the best time for birds to sing because the air is calm, and their songs can travel farther.
Melody explained that birds sing in the morning to start their day, just like how people say good morning to each other.
Birds sing to start their day, just like we say good morning to each other.
Melody told Emma that different types of birds have different songs, and each song is unique to that bird.
Each type of bird has its own unique song, and no two birds sing exactly the same.
Melody reminded Emma that singing also makes birds happy, just like how singing makes people feel good.
Singing makes birds happy, just like how singing can make you feel happy and cheerful.
Emma smiled, now understanding why birds sing in the morning, and couldn't wait to listen to their songs again tomorrow.
Thanks, Melody. Now I know why birds sing in the morning.